Hi guys!
Welcome to Pokedoodle. What are we drawing today?
Squirtle!
Yay!
I went for a girl version.
I went for the traditional one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to
like and subscribe, comment down below and give us a huge thumbs up.
see you in there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to slow down if you need to.
Right guys, we're going to start with the head.
Yeah, exactly. So we're going to start towards the top of the page. We don't want to make this too wide because otherwise we're going to run out of room. So I'm going to start on the left side of the head. So it's kind of going to be mostly a circle. So it's going to curve up and around just like this. And then it's going to come down on this side. And then we're going to pause on the right side because then he's going to have this bit of his lip and face that sticks out a little bit. So it's going to come out just like that and then curl around. And then we want to finish off the circle just like that so it connects to the other side over here. Just like that. Next we're going to do his body before we do his face. So we're going to start underneath his chin just here. And what we're going to do is we're going to curl it around just like that. And then we're going to stop. And we get to what's going to be his leg. So you don't want to go all the way around. So then we're going to leave a gap which is going to be his leg here. So we're going to connect to that by going like this and curling that around. And then we're going to do the bottom of his shell just here. And then we want to draw his leg here. So his leg's going to go here. So we're going to do a big oval just like this. And then we need to connect his head to his leg, which is where his shell's going to be here and then his tail's going to be behind. First I'm going to draw his arm, so the bottom bit of his shell is going to be here, and then you're going to have his arms. So his arm's going to come out from his body just here, and that's going to curl around, and then it's going to stick out, and then he's going to have his little fingers. So 1, 2, 3, just like that. And then we're going to finish the shell connecting to his leg just there. And then we're going to do the next bit, which is the edge of the shell, just like that. And then finally we want to do the actual shell itself, which is going to go just like that. And then I can finish off his legs. So his legs are going to come down, and then we're going to give him his toes. So 1, 2, and then the middle one, 3, just like that. And then we want to do the same on this side. So this one's going to bend down just like that, and they're going to be roughly the same height so that he's standing on the floor. And it's going to curl around just like that, and then go up for one toe, and then we're going to do another toe just behind that, like that, and then we want to connect it just like this. And then, beautiful, you're really fast. And now I need to do his other arm, don't I? So I'm going to curl it round down here, and then we're going to bring this arm up here, and then we're going to draw his fingers. So like his toes here, we're going to do 2, just like that. And then I need to do his tail. So I'm going to draw his tail, so it's going to come out just above his arm here. And then it's going to curl around, go off a little bit of the page, and it's going to come back around here.
I did the cell.
Well done. And it's going to curl all the way into the centre just there. And then I want to connect to the bottom of his tail to the bottom of his shell. So it's kind of going to extend from this line going up. So it's from his back rather than underneath him, just like that. Okay, so we're going to do his eyes and face next, aren't we? So I think I'm going to start by drawing his nostrils actually, so that I can centre his face nicely. So they're going to be just below the midline, about here. His face is slightly turned, so they want to be slightly closer to the right side, and he's going to have 2 slits for his nostril like that. And then we're going to draw his big wide open mouth. So it's going to start on the left side of his face, and we're going to draw a straight line just underneath his nostrils there, and then it's going to go up to the other side of his face just like that, and then we're going to do a giant curve to connect the two. So it's going to be just like that. And then I'm going to draw a line, which is going to be his tongue. So his tongue's going to be all there. And now that just leaves us with the eyes. So I'm going to draw one eye just here. So it's going to come into where about the midline here. So it's about roughly in line. And then we're going to curl that around. And then we can add a little line here. And then we can draw his pupil by doing it like this. And then I'll add a white spot at the top, just like that. And then we're going to do exactly the same thing on the other side. So we're going to start just, well done, I'm going to start just above his mouth on the left side, so it's going to curl around just like that. And then it's going to curl upwards, and then try and keep it about the same height. Doesn't matter if this one's slightly bigger because it'd be closer to us, so it would actually look bigger. And then this line here, like this one, I might thicken my one a little bit now. And then I'm going to draw his pupils, so it's going to curl around. I'm going to leave another white spot at the top here. And then add this colour here just so that we can do it brown like his eye colour, and I'm going to colour that in. we can colour all of his eyes in,
Hello.
just like that. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to colour him in, and then I'm going to do the lines for his shell afterwards, because we need to just draw some black lines for his shell, but I think it will look better if I colour it in first and then add the black, and then I need to do the same for his shell as well. Right guys, so now I've coloured it in, I'm just going to add the finishing touches of doing his shell. It's just like Elizabeth's done, so we're going to draw a line connecting his shell here, just between his arms. And then we're going to do two coming out of his legs, just like this. And then going down. And then we can connect those two lines here. And then afterwards, we want to draw another kind of triangle connecting his arm and leg. And then the same on the other side. And then once we've got that, we can connect those two as well. Just like that. And then afterwards I'm going to do his shell. So I'm going to draw a line going across there, and then another one going across just like that. And there you go. We've got Squirtle all finished up.
So guys, these are how they turned out. Comment down below what you want to see next. Bye!
Thanks for watching.